This is Radio Now 95.3 FM. Come for the news, stay for informed conversations.
Our conversations turn to Kebbi State, where an unfortunate incident has occurred. In Kebbi State, a meningitis outbreak has killed 6 students of the Kebbi State University. A statement by the university's management says the relevant stakeholders, including the World Health Organization, the United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, Medicines Sans Frontiers, and other medical professionals were part of the stakeholder meeting. Joining the conversation is Ismail Adebayo, who is a journalist in Kebbi. Mr. Adebayo, good morning. Thank you for joining us on the conversation.
Good morning.
As we have pointed out, this is an outbreak that has killed 6 students so far. Following that meeting with the university's management and stakeholders, what can you tell us came out of this particular meeting?
Well, the university authority said every measures have been taken in place to stop the deaths. Just 2 days ago, the number of deaths increased from 6 to 7. The university and the state university authority said the government has engaged, their stakeholders, the UNICEF, the World Health Organizations, and they are actually doing everything possible, to cure, the university. Right now, an isolation center has been created in the university, aside, the one that was created, at Alero, General Hospital, to take care of the incidents in the university. So right now, the team, are working, and more personnel have been, drafted, to the more medical personnel have been drafted, to help, those that were already working at the university to ensure that, the situation is brought, under control.
So, Mr. Adebayo, earlier, I think this was a week or 2 weeks ago, we had heard that there were 3 local governments affected by what is possibly this meningitis outbreak, Alero, Gwandu, and Jega local government areas. Is the university located in any of these 3?
Yes, the university is located at Alero.
And
one of the affected local government area.
Right. Beyond these measures that were taken within the university premises itself, what else is the state government doing across the affected areas?
Immediately, I think last Tuesday when the Commissioner of Health, announced, the suspected cases of, meningitis in the state, where about 26 people were reported, death. Then it was still, a suspected, case until, last week when, results, came from Abuja. Out of the 11, samples that were taken, 5 were confirmed, to be, cases of meningitis. And already, the figure rose from 26 to 56 deaths. Initially, it was, in 3 local government areas of the state, but we were told now, Benin, Kebbi, and Bunza, were also part of, the affected, local government areas. And of course, the state government and the development partners, have been, working together to ensure that, the situation is brought under control.
And just finally, with these added deaths and cases that have now been recorded, has the state now categorically said there is an outbreak? Before now, they've been saying a suspected outbreak, but have they declared it an actual?
Yeah, that's true. Yes, it's not a confirmed, outbreak. It's no longer, under these suspected cases. It has been confirmed, that meningitis outbreak in the state.
Mr. Adebayo, thank you very much for your time on this conversation. Ismail Adebayo is a journalist in Kebbi State who joined us this morning to speak on the outbreak of meningitis in parts of Kebbi. Unfortunately, the death toll, which was earlier reported as 6, has climbed upwards as the state government continues to do all that they can with the relevant stakeholders to ensure that the outbreak is curbed quickly and safely. You're still on to Radio Now 95.3 FM Lagos, you're beyond the news station. We urge you to stay tuned. In a few short moments, we'll be turning to the markets to bring you our latest conversations on Naira and Kobo.
This is Radio Now 95.3 FM. Come for the news, stay for informed conversations.